So if you're watching to this point, it probably means that you do want to see how I do this makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to do is do my eyebrows off camera with my Anastasia medium brown to brown pomade. So today I'm going to be using my Violet Voss Vibes palette, and as you can see I already did my eyebrows. They are completely done and prepped, and I'm going to take the shade called Boombox and just going to put this in the crease area. And I'll take a little bit more just so I could get that further in the inner corner. And then I'm just going to bring it up towards the brow bone. Alright everyone, so what I also did is take the shade called Boombox and put it on my crease, and then I did a cut crease using the same foundation. So unfortunately those two steps were not in the video, as well as putting this shimmer eyeshadow on my lid. So what I did is I put a little bit of a glitter primer on my lid from NYX. Then I'm going to take the Boombox shade one more time and put it in the outer corner, and then take Biker Shorts one last time as well and blend it in with that pink shade. Then I'm going to use my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in the color Midnight Cowboy and just put this all over the eye like that. Alright, so this is the finished eye. So I'm first putting on the NYX Glitter Primer, and then I'm going to take the shade called Overpacked and put this on that part where I put that primer. So here are the two finished eyes. And now I'm going to be using my Sephora eyeliner and do some eyeliner and put on my eyelashes. Alright everyone, so this is going to be the end of the video today. I already did my eyelashes and everything, and I'm not doing anything on the lower lashes. And I also put on some blush in my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe by pressing this right here. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!